Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to do some echo reading. This is where I will read a page and you listen, then you read the same page and I listen. To know when it's time for you to read, please look for the Your Turn sign that will appear on your page. Are you ready? Let's go. Rabbits. Some rabbits live on farms. Other rabbits live in the wild. Rabbits have two long ears. These help rabbits hear very well. Rabbits have soft fur. Most rabbits have short fur. Angora rabbits have long fur. Some people make yarn from their fur. Rabbits eat plants. A rabbit's teeth can grow long. Rabbits chew on things to wear down their teeth. Most farm rabbits live in a cage called a hutch. Rabbits hop around the farmyard to get exercise. This rabbit needs to rest. He's tired. Okay, boys and girls, how did you do? I hope you did a really good job, but I want you to think about what you did and how well you read, because I want you to try to read one more time and do your own practice read aloud